Learn all past tenses in one quiz. Fill in the blank. She, writing her novel for months before she finally, it. But by then, the publisher to go with another author. And she, heartbroken. You have 5 seconds to find it. Let's break it down and see which option is correct, and why the others are not. Option A. Had written, wrong. Use past perfect continuous to show long, ongoing writing. Was finishing doesn't fit. The novel was completed, so use simple past. Decided acceptable but past perfect, had already decided is better. Has felt wrong tense. Use simple past, felt for a past timeline. So A is out. Option B. Was writing, doesn't clearly show it happened before finishing. Use past perfect continuous. Had finished okay but simple past, finished fits better here. Already decided, missing had. Should be had already decided. Was feeling awkward for feelings. Use simple past, felt. So B is out. Option C. Wrote. Okay but misses ongoing action. Past perfect continuous is better. Has finished wrong tense for past timeline. Had decided correct. Had felt wrong here, simple past, felt fits better for feelings. So C is also wrong. Option D. Had been writing perfect to show ongoing writing before finishing. Finished correct simple past for completion. Had already decided correct past perfect for earlier decision. Felt correct simple past for feelings after events. So, correct answer is D. Full sentence is: She had been writing her novel for months before she finally finished it, but by then, the publisher had already decided to go with another author, and she felt heartbroken. How many did you get right? Comment below and follow for more grammar tips.